What's going on, everybody? This is Aniwa from Suburban Cyber, and I want to talk a little bit about Chirp's new app called Kage. I usually don't jump in on the videos in the beginning. I just wanted to kind of give a disclaimer on what it is we're actually doing with this new application. Chirp designed a new DePIN application called Kage. What it does is it actively scans your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks around your area, and then you get rewarded in Chirp points. However, I wanted to get on before the tutorial real quick to just let you know that this is a new application. It is testing. As a security guy, somebody who tries to put out these tutorials, but I want to let you understand that based on what I've been using it for the last day or so, what it does is it actually just scans your local network. Wherever you are, it's going to go ahead and scan the network, and it's going to start showing all of the Bluetooth devices that it can scan, all of the wireless networks it can scan, and all of the mobile devices. And with that, you get rewarded in what are they called? Chirp tokens. So again, a new application. Just be wary. I am using this on a spare phone with none of my personal data on it. I just had a spare phone laying around, only Android at the moment. It's not available for iOS, but if you have a spare Android phone, this will actually work for you. It has to be Android 7.0 or above. So the reason I wanted to give a disclaimer on this is because of what I've read on it. So when I read the line that it basically builds a global database for indoor navigation and low power geo-positioning, basically means that it's trying to geolocate anything within the confines of a home or a parking garage or anywhere where there's a roof where the GPS signals can't hit. Why I see this as a security threat, this could basically show your positioning no matter where you are in your home. It can pinpoint you that way. So I just wanted you to understand why I'm using a spare phone and why I'm using something that doesn't have any of my personal data. It's just a phone that I use for DePIN testing and DePIN applications. So there are some little games with it and cool little features. There's a treasure hunt called Wing of Chronos, where actually each player can search for physical items with Bluetooth beacons, which is pretty cool. It's almost like Pokemon Go in a way. So I can see how it can incentivize users to pick it up and earn tokens while they play their little treasure hunt games within the application. Again, the application is still new. We're still working on, or they're still working on, their bugs and fixes. But for right now, it runs pretty smooth. If you use my referral code, you'll get an extra, I think, 25,000 tokens to get started. So it benefits you, benefits me to get more tokens generated, or data chips is what they're calling them now. And there is also a leaderboard, and it kind of incentivizes users to kind of use the application daily, which I'm going to go ahead and test it for the first few days just to see how much of a pain in the ass it actually is. I have a ton of other DePIN projects that I'm a part of, and this is just another one that I'm going to have to add to my list of devices to take with me or to activate before I get going, whatever it is. I will start playing around with this and actually see. But just, again, please be safe out there, especially with the crypto market going up. There's going to be a lot more scammers out there. Understand that nobody's going to DM you or send you emails. So do not share your pre-shared key. Do not share any of your information with anybody. Download the app and play with it. That is it. And please be mindful of the information that you're putting out there. And be safe, everybody. Happy 2025.